Queen Mary here. There are 3 things, or 5 or 6, I would like to share to people. That when you are alone, mind your thoughts. Whenever you find yourself alone, mind your thoughts. Mind what you are thinking about. And it's good to think positively. Because when you are alone and you think negatively all the time, you'll be sick. You will be sick. So when you are alone, mind your thoughts. Unafikiria nini? Unawaza nini? Are you thinking good or you are thinking negative all through? So, for our better lives, when you are alone, my good friends, mind your thoughts. When you are with friends, mind your tongue. Tips for a better life. When you are with friends, mind your tongue. Mind your tongue. Mind what you are saying. Mind what you are talking. Remember, a tongue can bless or it can curse. When you are with friends, friends can be one friend or many friends or 100 friends. Whatever you talk, it matters a lot. Mind your tongue when you are with friends. When angry, mind your temper. We have seen so many people messing. They mess up when they are angry. So, mind your temper. Because when you are angry, there are those people who talk much when you're angry. They are those people who are abusive when they are angry. There are those people who cry a lot when they are angry. Please, mind your temper. Because you can't get angry alone. Of course, unafinywa na mtu, kitu ama jambo. Lakini wakati uko na watu and you are angry, mind your temper. Unaweza goga mse ujipate jera. You know, temper zako zinalingana handle anje. How do you handle your temper? So, when you are with friends, mind your tongue. When you are alone, mind your thoughts. When you are angry, mind your temper. When you are in a group of people, mind your behavior. Oh my good God. When you are in a group of people, mind your behavior. For example, you have gone for dowry or wedding, or you are in an institution where there are groups of people. You happen to find yourself there, mind your behavior. You may misbehave awkwardly. You may misbehave by talking, walking, eating. You know, kuna mtu anakuraka how tabia baya. When you are in a group of people, mind your behavior. Wewe unatamkanga maneno yako aje, mind your behavior. How do you react when you are in a group of people? So it's good to check there. When you are in trouble, mind your emotions. Uko kwa shida yoyote, mind emotions zako. You know, you may happen to of course to be arrested by a police by, of course, going against the rules za barabara. And that is a trouble. Mind your emotions. Acha kulia ovyo ovyo mbele ya askari. Utashikwa, my friend. React and you react well. Otherwise, kuna venye unaweza kuwa in trouble, then you react badly. Utashikwa na utakuwa kwa shida. You may happen to be in a club, for example, those who drink or, you know. Ujipate kwa shida fulani in between two people, wameanza ku crash, wameenda into crash, wamechapana nini. So hapo lazima you mind emotions zako. Wewe unareactigi aje wakati umepata watu wawili wanachapana? Ati unaenda kutenganisha hao watu wawili. My friend, utachapwa hapo katikati na utakuwa kwa shida. When you are in trouble, mind your emotions. Ya mwisho na ndio ya maana. When God start blessing you, mind your ego. Acha marigo, my friend. Be humble. When God start blessing you, mind your ego. Umebarikiwa, unaanza maringo. Imagine unapewa gari na hutaitembea mguu. Unaringa. Unaringa such that unasahau mahali umetoka. When you are blessed, mind your ego. Be humble. Humble yourself. Wacha kushida maringo, anga sijui nini, kumenyesha, siwezi tembea. Sina gari leo, iko garage, so I will not be able to attend the meeting, you know. Sijui anga na kuna watu wako hivyo, my friend. Kutoka hapa mpaka pale hawezi tembea. Hawezi tembea kwa sababu alipata gari. Ulipata biashara, so una shida ukibragia watu wenzako, siwezi andikwa. Nani alikuwa wewe? Humble yourself. Humble yourself. Ukiwa mbele ya watu, try to humble. Mind your tongue. Mind your tongue vile unaongea. Kwa sababu unaweza ongea mbaya ukwaruze roho ya mtu. Wacheni tuelewe hayo, and I'm happy. Queen Mary.